He had his location. Let me finish this video. Hello guys, my name is Sam and I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna be doing another recreation of my best friend's looks. This is my wife this time. She is beautiful and gorgeous. So I went on Instagram and I'm like, what look should I get from her and be inspired by and recreate from her makeup? So she does makeup, but she doesn't do any like videos or anything. So I went straight to her Instagram and I'm gonna show you a picture. No, that's not what I'm looking for. Okay, there we go. Anyways, can you see her? I mean, I'm gonna flash it on the screen, but this right here is a picture that I am mostly inspired by. She has like a nude lip. We can't do no nude lip because ours black, but she got some greenish. Can y'all see? Well, y'all can't see it. I'm gonna flash it on the screen for you guys, but she got like a greenish, brownish. She has the crease, we got some brown in it, and she got her liner done, her lashes, and her brows. She got a little highlight on that nose, so she got a little cute little button nose. So we're just gonna go in and we're gonna get ready. So this part right here, this is called the Comfort Zone. This is the Wet n Wild palette. I love this palette so much. As you can see, she's been used, as you can see. Anyway, so we're gonna dip in. She likes to do her eyes first, so that's why I'm going and doing my eyes first. Guys, she does her eyes first, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and do my eyes first. And yeah, so I don't know how she does her whole routine of her makeup look, but I know I've seen her do her makeup before. I've watched her, and I know she does her eyeballs first. I don't know how she do it, girl. Kudos to you, but I always go and do my base first, girl. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of brown into my crease because I know she likes to use a lot of brown in her crease. So we're just gonna do some windshield wiper motions and blend it into the crease. And I'm looking at the reference photo as well, so I'm trying to make sure that I get to every detail that I need. Hopefully I do her recreation some justice, honey. Okay, now I'm just gonna put some green on the eyelid. We're gonna pack some green on the eyelid. Look like she has on there some green. Her putting on her eye makeup first is kind of genius, but because it catches all the fallout, you can just clean it up before you start your foundation. But I just can't bring myself to do it. I don't know why. Okay, I'm gonna take that crease brush again and make sure it's blended out. Want to make sure every crease is blended. Ooh, yes. Okay, once we got this eye done over here, it's not really done, but we're gonna go in with some liner. So we're gonna go ahead and create her signature look with her wing. So I don't really know how she does her wing, but so I'm just gonna do it my way. And thank you, Annie, for this new liner, girl. I haven't tried it yet, but we're gonna try her out today. Okay, since we got this eye done, we're gonna go off camera and do this one, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, but I'm back and I have both eyes done and my eyebrows did. So I'm not really sure if she does her eyebrows after her eye makeup, so I just went ahead and did it. But now we're just gonna move on to primer, and then we're gonna move on to the base. Yes. Wet n Wild Dewy Lumi Face Primer. I've never tried this. This is brand new. We're gonna go ahead and, this is what it is. So I'm just gonna put some of that on. Hopefully it's not too dewy. You know I'm an oily girl. And we're just, oh God. Okay, I'm scared. Okay, this primer though. I'm scared. Oh, I might rub it off my eyebrows. Did I? No, I didn't. I might have put too much, guys. Okay guys, this primer is giving me a glow. I'm used to that, sweetie. Oh no. And I wiped off one of my eyebrows. We ain't even gonna talk about that right now. Well, Brittany likes to use brushes for her makeup. I bought her some beauty sponges for her makeup. I don't know if she uses them because I haven't seen her since I bought them. I've seen her, but not seen her put on her makeup. So today I'm gonna go in the sponge, Brittany. Okay, no brushes for me. Okay, baby. We're gonna go ahead and go with the Dream Mousse foundation. Her favorite foundation is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. And it's like, girl, I haven't got to try that foundation yet because they don't have my shades in the store and I'm being shady and I'm not going to buy it. And I'm being shady and I'm not gonna buy it online. Because if you ain't got my shade, there ain't no reason for me to buy it, right? So we're gonna go in the Dream Mousse and this is in 130. And I'm like, girl, it puts my foundation on the way I want it. Yes. I'm never going back to a beauty blender unless the sponge messes me up one day, which today is not the day, or another day after that. She's been good, nothing but good to me with this sponge. I got this at my local Walmart's, girl. And this sponge has been a great friend to me. And I'm like, can you not be so great to me? I really was in love with the beauty blender. But the beauty blender is like $20 and this is $4. Look how she applied that makeup, girl. She didn't come to play. I'm just gonna use some of this Tart Shape Tape to cover up my under eye bags. We're not gonna put too much, but you know, my girl Brittany is like extra full coverage like me. We're so extra, and so we're just gonna get a little bit of coverage on that, not too much though. Okay guys, since we got that done, our base is done. We're gonna go ahead and set our foundation with some powder. Does she use loose powder? I know she don't set it with a sponge, she sets it with a brush. I don't know. Or does she use a compact? I think she uses a compact. So we're gonna use some loose powder because that's what I'm used to. I have a compact over there. We're not gonna get up and go get her. So we're just gonna go ahead and set this under eye with this brush because that's Brittany's favorite way of setting her foundation and her concealer. We're just dipping into the powder and setting our face. I can't tell if she smoked out her bottom lash line. I know she put some mascara down there, but we're just gonna take a brown down there under the eyes, I guess. I'm gonna smoke her out just a little bit. We don't poke our eyebrow first because this is not her. I know she likes to bronze up her skin just a little bit, so I'm just going to go ahead and bronze up my skin just a little. We're not going to do too overboard. We're just going to go in and snatch her face like Brittany. We're going to get rid of my double chin. Her nose looked snatched in that picture, so we're just going to go ahead and snatch my nose. Look, we don't even have to highlight our face because she looked a little highlighted in her picture, but when we had that primer, it snatched my nose with a little bit of highlighter already. So we're almost good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and put on some mascara and a lip and we'll be done with this video. Oh my gosh, we're almost done. Thank you, Brittany Boo Boo, for teaching me and showing me a look that I can recreate your look, girl. Thank you, boo. I love you and I miss you. So we're gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Wear. I've never tried this a day in my life. It's brand new. I just took it out of the pack a while ago. Hopefully it's good. So we're just gonna go ahead and coat these lashes. Okay, this mascara is not as great as I thought it was gonna be, but it's gonna work for this video. It's good. She doesn't wear fake lashes. I've never really seen her with any fake lashes because she has big, beautiful voluptuous lashes. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. And then I'm just gonna go with a lip gloss because she's wearing a nude lip, but you know the nude lip is not gonna work for my skin tone. And I'm not messing on my look. Some Beauty Benefits. It's a lip gel. Actually, I'm gonna be using a lip gel from Beauty Benefits and it smells good. I'm just gonna squeeze some out like a lip gloss. I have some glitter in it. It smells good. I got very hooded eyes, so you can't see most of this makeup look. And I'm done with this look, guys. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and go ahead and hit the links down below if you missed yesterday's video, or if you want to see how to get I do my eyebrows, I have a link for that down below as well. And also, if you want to see how to get the perfect foundation appliance, go ahead and watch the video down below. And I am done with this video. Thank you, Brittany, for letting me use one of your pictures. Oh shit, I forgot to ask you. You gonna see it soon. Okay, thank you, girl. Bye. I miss you and I love you, wife. Bye.